So we have created a user called Donnie in the group Manny's group. Okay, now this is an advanced command, so don't worry about it how it executes, but we need to log in as Donnie, and the command to do that is the sudo su minus Donnie. So now we will be logged in as Donnie. Okay, pwd /home /Donnie. That's the folder that got created because we specified the -m symbol. Okay, now I'm going to create some folders and file quick. Mm. Alright guys, so I have built those files. And now if we say ls-l, this is displaying the top level directories. Now we want to see what's under, so we're going to go recursive, and these are the top directories. First directory doesn't have anything, and the directories under that have these contents. Okay, so the file owner is Donnie, and the group owner is Manny's group. All right, so changing the owner is something you won't do very often, uh, or changing, but the file permissions, which is this first part, that you're going to do quite often. Okay, so let's talk about this for a second. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like, the file permissions. Okay, so it consists of 4 parts. The first part we're not worried about, the second part we are not worried about, the third part also we are not worried about a whole lot at this point, but I'm just going to tell you what they are. So these are the permissions that you want to give to that file for yourself. So basically Donnie is the owner of the file, right? Okay, now these are the things Donnie can do on this file, and the things that he can do on the file are each. No, let's keep them small because they're going to be small there. Write, and X is execute. Okay, so read as in you can read the file, write as in you can write into that file, execute means you can execute if it's executable. Okay, now these are Donnie's permissions, while the second triad is our permissions for his group. So basically, if we consider Donnie as a prisoner, he has a building, and that's part of the whole prison system. So the second one, the groups would be his building, like he's like he basically belongs to that building, while the others would be everybody else that's not in his building. So that's basically the entire world, and what permissions do they have? That will be the third triad. So Donnie has read write permission, and he could give read write permission to his group and not give any permission to others. And how that's done, we will take a look at in the next lecture.